So this is our back deck, and like I said, it is going to get a makeover, and you wouldn't be able to tell, but this was stained just last summer, and almost the entire stain has come off. So we're gonna have to start over from scratch, and now I'm gonna try and pressure wash it off, get most of the stain off, have to sand it down, and then I'm gonna put some milk paint on it and probably a polyurethane or some kind of a sealer, because whatever I used last year did not work. So let's get started. Lots of work to do. So of course, first things first, we have to pressure wash everything off, the rest of the stain. And I don't know about you guys, but there is something so satisfying about doing this. It is hard work, but it is so fun to just watch everything blast off and watch the wood become almost like brand new again. So already it looks 10 times better, just getting that stain off of there. And I'll let it dry for a few days and sand it down. You know, I really used to love summer, but now I think my favorite is fall. The trees are starting to change color. The air is, well, it smells fresh and crisp, but cooler. And it just is a time to be cozy. And so now, since fall is coming, I need to get this done. So today we are going to work on finishing the deck. I have pressure washed it off quite a while ago, and now I gotta get all the dirt off. I'm gonna use a broom and my compressor to blow off the dirt, and then we'll be using some Fusion milk paint in the color Gotham Gray, and then I will seal it with some tung oil. So stay tuned to see the transformation. So here are the milk paints that I'll be using and the tung oil. So for the main deck, it's going to be the Gotham Gray and then a little black dress for the railing. And so if you guys are at all interested in any of these products, they are in my booths at Tickety-Boo. It's at 1926 E Sprague in the Spokane, Washington area. And then I also have them on my online store at thereclaimedranch.com. What it's looking like with the called Gotham Gray milk paint by Fusion. Looks kind of like a wash is kind of what I'm going for, so I like it so far. And then I think I will do the railings in little black dress. Okay, so this is day 2 of the deck, and it's dried really well. It's got like a dusty sand color in some spots, and then like some other spots there's like a blue hint to it. It just kind of depends on the shade. But I really liked how it turned out. And so now I'm going to, you can kind of see, it's hard to see with the sun glaring, but I'm going to go ahead and then paint the little railings and stuff in the sides black. Little black dress from Fusion. And so we're going to get that started. Today's like the last nice day. It's supposed to be 81 degrees, so I've got to get this done before the rain comes. I think this is going to be a lot better look. Looks good against the gray. I'm excited. Okay, so I have finished painting with the black. I think it looks really good against the gray. And so now, since this is cured overnight on the deck part, I'm going to go ahead and use the Fusion's tongue oil. Let's see. So it's pure 100% natural tongue oil, hardens to produce excellent water resistant protection for raw, stained wood or milk painted surfaces. Ideal for exterior applications as it naturally resists mildew. So that is why I'm going to use this on my deck outside. I've heard of people using it on their docks at their lake houses and stuff. So we're going to give this a try because frankly, we've only had this deck for 2 years and I've had to reapply the other stain that was on it. So let's give this a try and see how it works. I also just read to improve the penetration on porous wood surfaces and to accelerate the drying process, dilute the first 2 coats of oil with 25 to 50% odorless solvent, which I have probably about 25% right there. So I'm going to dump this all in and then do that for the first coat, and then I'll put full on tongue oil on the next coat. So you can see after you seal it, it darkens up quite a bit. It'll kind of dry a little bit later, but like already, the steps are already kind of dry.
We're going to school.
Again, thank you guys for watching, and I've got some more fun videos coming your way. So if this is the thing that you like, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. I didn't bother staging it because all my furniture is going in for fall anyway. Until next time, bye.